need people working on both, right? You need both reform and replacement. And I think you find your own lane for that. Some people are quite comfortable in halls of power among people in suits. Does anybody wear suits anymore? I don't know. That's maybe just a metaphor now. And for those who have that gift, please, Godspeed, like work on incremental reform. And for those who don't have the stomach for that, then work on building a robust replacement for us. There's I won't have time to get into it in detail, but there's a systems thinking model called the three horizons, right? And the first horizon is the current, what we can see right now. The second is incremental change. This is very rough. Incremental changes that would make, move us along in the right direction. And the third is beyond, way over the horizon of what we can see at all, but the much brighter, better system and that we all need. And I think we don't just leap from 1 to 3. We have to work our way through 2, and we need people working on both at the same time. So wherever you are called to contribute, please do that, and don't let people talk you out of it. Oh, you're working on the wrong thing. If you've thought about it, if you've listened, if you've done your research, we need people working on all the different levers all at once.